Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through Facebook Messenger deleted messages recovery. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Facebook open here. I will tap the three lines at the bottom right here, and then just scroll down. Right under settings and privacy, I will tap settings here. And then what we'll want to do is find download your information. So if you scroll down, yeah, there we go. Under your Facebook information, you can see download your information. We'll tap on that. And here it will have copies of everything that Facebook has stored in their servers about your account. And this is where you can recover any of your Facebook messages. So I'm just going to deselect all because we don't want all of this stuff. But just scroll down to messages and toggle that on. You can see messages you've exchanged with other people on Messenger. So this will recover all of your deleted Facebook Messenger messages. We can scroll down again and you can see date range. If you want to tap that, you can choose like a specific date range. You can choose more or less the last 24 hours or whatever if you just want to recover message that you recently deleted. Format HTML, media quality high, that's fine, and you can just hit create file. And you can see that it says pending here. That'll take maybe 10 minutes or so, and then you'll be able to come back in here and download all those and recover all those Facebook messages. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.